First time flying, don't be stressed. Jetpakistan.com got you, you're the best. You're smart, no need to guess. Follow these tips, avoid the mess. First time flying, don't be stressed. Jetpakistan.com got you, you're the best. You're smart, no need to guess. Follow these tips, avoid the mess. Book your flight, don't be late. Early deals always feel great. Check your passport, visa type, ready to fly. Morning light, documents ready, keep them safe. No tension, no last minute race. Pack your bag, keep it light. Follow rules, do it right. Reach the airport, don't be slow. Check in early, let it flow. Low determined, don't exceed. Smart packing is all you need. Last rise, travel fast. That'll make every journey last. To jetpakistan.com is your guide. We are always by your side. In fly smart, travel clean. Best travel tips you've seen. No stress, just relax. Follow simple travel time. Choose your seat, window view, eyes low front, it's up to you. Drink water, stay fresh and light, sleep well on long night flight. Comfort matters, feel the vibe. Happy journey is the mode we describe. Stay connected, phone is key. Gotta take it, you stay free. No mistakes, follow the rule. Like a little smart, stay cool. Guru shop, you your heart. Keep it ready from the start. Fly smart, travel fast. Do memories forever last. To jetpakistan.com, I'm always here. Travel happy, travel well. Like, comment, subscribe to the jetpakistan.com shows the way.